What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So, you guys know, if you follow along, we are a huge fan of the Meta glasses holistically, whether it's Oakley, Ray-Ban, MetaZone. But today I want to talk specifically about the Ray-Ban wafers, which is what we have. But if you have any of the first gen or second gen glasses, we are here today with a partnership with VR Rock. As you can see, they have inexpensive transition, prescription, and a variety of other lens options if you want to replace them, if you're scratched or damaged or anything like that. I will throw the affiliate link up down below if you want to pick them out. These start at like 30 bucks and go from there, depending on how many different options you want to add in, blue light filters, transition lenses. It is a fraction of the price, not having to deal with insurance or anything like that. So I wanted to take a minute today to show you what comes in an order and how to install them. These are a little bit of the special edition Ray-Ban wafer Gen 2. However, they're not prone to not scratching. I have scratches. It's time to show you exactly what VR Rock offers. Let's jump into it. All right, so once you place your order, depending on how customized you need, it only takes a couple of days for them to create your order and then get it shipped out. And you can see it comes in a nice package, even with a case to hold your other lenses as well, so these stay nice all the time. Even has a little hook to carry if you need, and just an easy zipper compartment at that. And then you're going to have your individual lenses labeled properly if one is for the right and one is for the left. And then also a nice microfiber cleaning cloth, as you can see here, to make sure you can wipe away any fingerprints or smudges that you might have. So again, there are a number of different color options online to really get you what you need and your personalized look. I'm a huge fan of blue. This blue specifically looks very nice, so I wanted to go with these. Popping out your glasses are super easy, and again, since we pull the left out, we will take a look at that one first. And all you're going to want to do is literally take your fingers and be able to carefully push these out. And when you do that, you will then be able to interchange it with the new one. You're just simply going to put it back in, back facing forward, line it up, and it will pop right into place, just like that. And you can see, actually let me get it up to the camera. Let's see if it'll focus for you. You can see exactly what the stock one comes with, and then look how nice of a hint that blue looks right there. So we'll go ahead and do the same thing for the right one. Pop that out. Get the right one in and pop these right back on. Satisfying click, and take a look at how those look now with these VR Rock set put in. Let's take a look on us. So as you can see, these babies look really good, really clean. Let me get a closer up view for you. You can see, you can definitely still see your eyes through them. These are not a mirror finish. Again, there are a ton of different options out there, really depending on what you are looking for. You can look on their website, and they are just loaded with different options. So like I said, you see here, we have non-prescription lenses, prescription lenses, single vision, progressive, bifocal. You have all your visions for it, your photochromic lenses, tinted lenses, mirrored and polarized, and gradient tinted lenses as well. Plenty of varieties for your personal customizable preference. All of your prescription needs are right there. All of the different models it's comparable with, from standard to large, to headliners to skylers, and everything else in between. Plus then you have all those lens options we're talking about for anti-fog, oil resistant, scratch resistance, easy to clean, radiant resistance, and anti-blue light. So yeah, you guys can tell there are plenty of options here. It is a great choice if you're a big person of customizing your glasses. You can't go wrong. Thanks VR Rock for sending these out. Again, use that affiliate code up down below, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.